welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the What YouTube universe. And thank you so much for checking in with my shenanigans, because that's really what I be doing. But guys, if you do enjoy the content here on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button that you see down below. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe. And guys, let's get into paycheck number 1 because, ooh, child, it's the budget. Okay, but before we do that, hold up, pause, wait a minute. Y'all, my girl Sons and Roses hit 1K subscribers. Ayy, 1K subscribers. Ayy, y'all, I saw it live. So, as you guys know, I live in South Korea. Well, if you knew or whatever, I live in South Korea. I'm in the military. That's how my paycheck, I be getting paid or whatever. And I was up, y'all, and I saw it. It happened. Matter of fact, it's a screenshot. Bam. Okay, it's a whole screenshot. Y'all see it? Girls at 1K. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for my girl. But guys, yes, so if you have not gone over there to check on her channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Sons and Roses, because this is bomb. This is just bomb. Okay, she bomb. Okay, point blank period. But yes guys, hella excited. But now we're gonna get into our budget for the month. I'm gonna try to make this quick because we got a lot of cash envelopes and anybody got no time to be here all day. I'm trying to make this like an 8-minute video, but I know I've been talking for at least 2, so let's just get into it. So my paycheck that the good Lord blessed us with was $4,526.16. Won't he do it? He sure did, right? Unbudgeted, so they gave us $562.58. This is for a clothing allowance. Everyone gets it every year. It's basically to buy our uniforms in the military. Listen, little baby, needs it, okay? But now this year I'm budgeting it because last year your girl was blowing that coin, okay? But this year your girl's doing it a little better, so she do an actual budget for that money. And yeah, so my total amount, $5,088.74. Listen, I'm trying to do this as quick, fast, in a hurry, as painless as possible because it's a lot. So let's move on to fixed expenses. So my fixed expenses, all the same, okay? So rent is $13.50, electricity $180, gas $15, emergency fund, it's in blue because it automatically transfer into emergency. We ain't even gonna touch that money. We ain't even gonna play no games, okay? Listen, it's 2021. 2020 taught us how to be. Now we gonna be correct in 2021. No games. So emergency fund $300, automatic. Insurance is $20. Netflix is $12, my bad. Apple Music $15, phone bill Korea $70 because the currency conversion over here is trash, and I pay my phone bill in wons, which is the South Korean currency. So your girl's got to estimate and be, you know, make sure she have that coin on hand. And then USA account, I really just need money to go there so it doesn't close or nothing. They don't do nothing, you know, a little sketchy, a little fishy, nothing. They ain't really gonna do it. It's USA, but I'm just sending $5 there for that reason. And then groceries, okay? My monthly budget for groceries is $400. $400. However, I didn't spend all my money from last month, and all I do for each month is a top up. I don't go over $400, and I don't add a full $400 every month because what's the point? If I can finish the $400 in the previous month, why would I put an additional $400, you know? So figure out your budget, what works for you. I do this because I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and fruits and vegetables cost a lot here. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So my total for fixed expenses was $2,247. Now we're gonna go over to variable expenses, which, little baby, listen, okay? Whole lot of. Tithes, she getting $5.10 because the good Lord be blessing me. So you know what? Bless the Lord. Okay. Crown and nails, they're getting $45 and $10 respectively because like my hair, I haven't figured it out yet. And then my nails, I told y'all, I like me a cute little pedicure every once in a while, but like your girl is not really like an all the time kind of nails kind of girl. So it is what it is. Chiropractor, I only needed $20 to get to 100, which, that would be 100 in my cash envelope. So that's what I gave it. Massage is getting 15, waxing is 80, fine wine, Stella Rose, Stella Rose Royce, whatever you want to call her, is getting $30 because sis got to come back in the game, okay? She got to come back. Okay, we missed her. I'm not an alcoholic. I drink like rarely. I'm like a lightweight, but I do like me some Stella Rose. Okay, she makes me feel good. Okay, with a bomb dinner, girl, sir, come through, right? Yes. Allowance $200 for the month. Toiletries, household, clothing, and health. Toiletries, listen, little baby's cash envelopes, stack. Toiletries, she don't really need that much, so I'm only giving her $10. But household, on the other hand, yo, they robbed her. Clorox took her out, okay? Okay, she said, no, ma'am, we clocked out. You ain't paying me enough for this. Like, we gone. So I had to, revamp her up, $50. Clothing, getting this normal 30 because, she don't really have that much going on with her. It's winter. We already did the blowout shopping for winter clothes. So now we're just waiting on summer to go ahead and do it again. But hopefully this time, I'll be using the correct amount of money and I won't be overspending. Fingers crossed. Health is getting $10. Listen, health right now is at $40. It's about to be at $50 with this 10, and we ain't putting no more in there because I rarely use it, but I need it on hand. Emergency purposes for at home. Let's move on. Support a friend, $42 because we got to make it up to $50. Budgeting buys, $5. YouTube ain't getting nothing. Scratch it. Because listen, okay, I realize the girl was just spending because she got money in her cash envelopes. That ain't the move, okay? Y'all, I legit just did. I got cut off and I legit just did everything and I was done and I was like, yes ma'am, good to go. Y'all, tell me why I looked on my phone and it was like, no ma'am, no sir, no sis, no whoever you are, that ain't it. And I was like, bruh, you know what, let's just go over this real quick because listen, little baby, she's still gonna be cute. So we was at YouTube. YouTube wasn't getting any money because listen, I was overspending for YouTube for no reason. Just because I had money in the cash envelope, I was doing a whole lot of. We ain't got no time for that in 2021. We trying to get it together because the girl moves in 7 months. So I gotta rein it in, right? Electronics get $20 because I don't know what I'm gonna need. I don't even know if there's money in electronics, to be honest. So I'm gonna give it a little change to see, make sure it's there available just in case. Going out, shoot, we clank right now. I don't even know if outside is accepting any visitors because listen, okay, they say ain't nobody getting together, nothing, okay. We clank because Ro is acting up. She going ahead and got her cousin and now they two new strings together. Like, we don't want you, okay? You could have stayed where you was at. You could have stayed where you was at, sis. We was trying to go outside, okay? We was trying to go outside, but it's whatever. Then going away is getting $20. That's the usual for the month. Miscellaneous end up getting $28 because it's cute. And then unbudgeted got a total of $560, which is basically my unbudgeted up here. So works out. Ain't that cute? Okay, lastly, we are gonna be doing our sinking funds. So yeah. So let's go to this one. So for the first two, home and travel, listen, I leave here in 7 months. Like, oh my gosh, I leave here in 7 months. Little baby needs to buy furniture, and I'm trying to get my travel to $1,000. So once travel get to $1,000, I like lower it to like $50 a month. But for right now, they getting their coins, okay? 75. Queen's B-Day, that's my B-Day. Listen, every year since I could remember, your girl's been a credit card sis. She not trying to be a credit card sis today, but she trying to be a credit card sis that can pay off her credit card even if she spends it on her birthday. I know that might be a lot for some of y'all. Just slow it down, rewind me, listen again. But yeah, car maintenance. We stuff a little bit because she ain't gonna come for our pockets. She one of the main chicks that be coming for our pockets. Okay, she be trying us on the regular and I'm just like, ma'am, no thank you, okay? You can go right ahead and pass me, okay? I ain't pulled that ticket, don't call my number, no ma'am, okay? But she's still gonna be here somehow, some way, so get into it. Special occasions, listen, okay? I thought my mama was done. I thought she was like, done. But apparently she completed her exam and she still gotta go to boards to get her N license. And I'm just like, ma'am, You had me lie to my subscribers? Oh my God. I trusted you, sis. I trusted you. You my mama. I really left me wondering what's wrong with me sometimes when I do these. But now, special occasions getting $20. So we just waiting on mama to get her certificate, and then we gonna be, you know, hella excited. Now, then I'll let y'all know the truth. The truth. But okay, let's move on. Next, we got family B-Days, which is getting $70. If I keep putting $70 in there, I'll be good for everybody's birthday. No matter, I already have an amount that I'm doing for everybody's birthday per month, but this $70 would like be good. Like, I won't miss anybody's birthday, and they'll get their money that I budgeted for them already. Annual subscriptions, Money told you, girl, listen, okay, let's get this annual together, and so we ain't gotta worry about it throughout the year. So I'm just getting it together. That's what that $30 is. First month's bill, listen, they worse than car maintenance, okay? They be real life going into your bank. Basically, they got a card to your account, okay? Secure deposit, turn on the internet, starting the electricity, application fee, processing fee. Listen, y'all gonna stop coming from my pocket, stop checking my bank account, okay? You depleted my funds. I don't need this in my life. You depleted my money, okay? Leave my monies alone. But anyways, the girl gotta get ready because she leaves in 7 months, guys. I leave South Korea in 7 months. I gotta get ready. So that is what first month's bill is, which is $220. Then Juneteenth, because point blank period. Listen, okay? Support Black businesses. Support, you know, Black business and, you know, the Black culture. And listen, okay? I wasn't born here, but my country definitely went to slavery too. Like, yeah, this side of the world, keep it real 100. So we all been there, done that. Listen, now we're trying to correct the wrong, and that's all that is. And I'm just trying to support the way that I can on Juneteenth, basically in my birthday month. So June about to be a whole lot of spending. What it might not be, because your girl is moving in July, so we don't know yet. But I'm definitely buying stuff for Juneteenth holiday. Don't know why it's not a federal holiday yet, but you know what? Yeah, that's another story. Black Friday is actually my Christmas, cause your girl was balling, okay, on Black Friday this year, and I was like, ma'am, I really don't think that's the move, and I'm gonna need you to slow down your spending. But now I gotta get ready for me, because ooh, child, the coins that I spent this year alone, and I do it every Black Friday. Like, it's not like a new thing. No, it's normal. So I gotta get ready for me and my spending. And it's like one of my blowout sessions. You know when they like closing, so blowout sale, it's my blowout spending time. It's like twice a year, my birthday, Black Friday. So it's my blowout spending time. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. Then after that, we got Thanksgiving, Christmas bills, Christmas gifts, and quarterly challenges. On here, y'all see the 100 envelope challenge. Your girl ain't stuffing it this time because, listen, okay, the way my paychecks are set up, it just makes sense that I do the quarterlies on my first paycheck and then the 100 envelope on my second paycheck. So, you know, not too much money come out my bank account at once, okay? We appreciate that. Thank you, sir and ma'am. But no. So Thanksgiving, your girl ain't gonna be cooking. She ain't gonna be the chef, but she gonna be, you know, the taste tester, okay? And because your girl is a taste tester, I just want to contribute a little bit of something towards the chef's, you know, cuisine, okay? Because, baby, okay, I'm there to eat. So the least I can do is contribute a little funds. So, you know, your girl's just building it up. So Thanksgiving, $10. Now, Christmas bills, your girl plans to be in Jamaica next year. Well, not next year, this year for Christmas. 2021, December, we plan to be in Jamaica. However, Roro and her little cousin that she got, you know, the second strain or whatever, they came out and they was like, we put in plans trying to lock down 2021 too. And we like, no ma'am, no, pick a different planet. We over it. We over it. So if we don't go to Christmas in Jamaica, the plan is most likely it's going to happen at my apartment, at my house. And if that's the case, you know what happens when people come to your house? You use more electricity. You know what else? You use more water. So you know what I plan to do? Be a little bit prepared, because I don't know how much prepared I'm going to be, but I'm going to be a little bit. So $8 is going towards bills. Christmas gifts, $85. I have a goal of $1,000 this year, so 85 per month should get me to 1,000. And in quarterly challenge, I pulled 4 strips. I'm gonna include that clip in here, and it came out to $388, and so my total sinking funds is $1,096. Okay, period. So guys, this is my budget for my first paycheck. As you guys can see, this is wrong because that don't match. Don't mind me, okay? Like I said, I've done this 3 times. Little baby is over it. Just being honest with y'all, for real. I've been trying to give y'all the vibes, the mood, because listen, okay? Energy has to be right. But my income was $5,088.74. Your girl's fixed expenses, $2,247. Variable expenses is $1,745.74. And the 74 cents thing up here is a known rule. Like, I automatically move the cents on my paycheck to my savings account. I don't really budget it. I do even numbers. You guys know I hate cents. It is what it is. If you're new here, I hate cents. And then sinking funds is $1,096. And that basically clears everything out. I'm gonna change these, but yeah, that's it. So guys, I know this is a long video. I don't know if you stayed the entire time for my shenanigans, but thank you so much for watching, okay? If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, and a foe. And also, if you enjoy the content here, make sure you subscribe, okay? And guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Guess what we doing for the next one? Can you guess? We doing a cat stuffing. Oh yeah, period. On God, all day, every day, and what? Twice on Sunday. Let me tell you. So guys, yeah. I'm really done now, for real though. Now I'm just blabbering my shenanigans. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.